Bonsoir, bonjour, tout le monde, quel que soit côté où il y a. C'est Affaire pour là, c'est Osmosis, you already know what it is. HMI Buzz, bon buzz. Assoya là, bon Dieu béni nous parce que nous avons deux guests spéciaux. Vous pensez à moi-même, je suis spécial parce que je regarde le travail au monde, regarde ça la PC fait et notre travail au monde qui genre du monde et so I'm gonna give them the opportunity to present themselves. But first of all, I want to let you know we're right here at RC Caribbean Restaurant, and that's where we're doing this interview. And you want to come and check out the food and support our Haitian businesses, you know what I mean? That's what it's all about. You know, we got to bring the Haitian economy up, all right? Yeah. Support our Haitian businesses. All the way up. Bon, I'm going to have an introduction. I know you don't really need an introduction, but let's introduce yourself for the people that might not know who you are.
That is truly sweet for you to say, Osmosis. Thank you so much. My name is Sandra Justice. I am the former Miss Haiti South Florida actress, producer. Some of the things you may have seen me in or have seen my work is the Risha Kave Gazman featuring Risha Kave Pukisa, directed by Universal Films. I'm one of the producers on there. Also Gabel, featuring Flav. I'm also one of the producers on there and featured on both the Gazman Couleur and the Gabel. I was also the lead girl on those videos. We just wrapped up a Universal film, Love Until It Hurts. We've done some work on Burn Notice, Miami Vice, The Glades, some commercials, just to name a few things. And it is truly an honor for me to be here with you.
Honor's mine.
Hello, Osmosis. Thank you for having us here on your show. I am so honored. And what's up, my Haitian people, Haitian Buzz. This is an Haitian American. Everybody, we're having a good time here. My name is Genji Jacques, and I'm so happy to be here. Producer, actor, director, acting coach, and also was in the #1 Haitian film, because the #1 film in America.
Yes.
Wind of Desire. If anybody has
Wind of Desire.
Movie,
that's one of the original for when the Haitian movies was kind of
exactly
evolving a little bit, getting better.
Like my wife said, we were on, the video. Richard
I didn't tell them you guys are a couple yet, but I guess you gave it up.
This is my beautiful wife, Sandra Justice. I just say that we and also too, I'm a screen supervisor and also producer in Love Till It Hurts, Universal film, and also too we are also too doing some acting and also doing the project on our web series called Bay Night. So it's been a great for us to come together to make things happen here in the community, because it's time to do so.
Absolutely. Well, I mean, you just give me a brief synopsis of your work. Okay. I would like to know, who are you and who
When you say who I am,
where you from? Okay. Like where you grew up.
Be a little more specific.
Give me a brief biography, of you.
Well, I am from Cape Haitian, Haiti. Born in Cape Haitian, Haiti, came to the United States, Miami, Florida to be exact, at the tender age of 6. Grew up here. Yes, I went through that whole motion of Haitian eat cat and Haitian built people and the whole crying. But you know what? Through it all, in Miami, the whole thing of,
Miami Edison?
Well, actually, it was Alapata. The first school I went to was Comstock Elementary. And then I didn't do Edison. Then I went to Alapata. Then I went to Kelsey L. Farr, Miami Jackson for a couple of months, and then transfer over to Central Senior High. But I went through, the whole I can't speak English thing, being picked on. But through the whole time and through the whole process, I could not, and I tell you, I could not deny that I'm Haitian. You know how sometimes you get, how can I say it? You get a little fearful, and it's understanding that, the bullies get hard, so you tend to say, I'm not Haitian, or you tend to say that I was born here and my parents are Haitian, when you just got off the boat. But through all that, what Haitians would call toute persécution, I was like, I'm Haitian and proud to be Haitian.
That's what's up. Awesome. You, sir?
Well, originally from New York, I was there for a year and a half. Came down here, live in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Yeah, I was raised here. So I could say connecting to my Haitian roots, it all started more in college because I went to the predominantly white school, right? And then after when I went to college, Westminster Academy, right? I went to college. I was culture shocked because I saw all different types of cultures. And of course, I got connected to my Haitian roots, and people looked at me and say, "Oh, I didn't think that you connect to your Haitian roots. I didn't think that you really care." I said, "No, I do, but just by being part of the Club Creole, Caribbean events, I got more of a grasp of what Haiti is, what the knowing of Haiti is." So I was very blessed with that.
One of the main reasons I want to sit down with you guys because I've been following some of the things that you were doing, especially Bay Night.
Right.
Bay Night. It's a web series, my understanding, but also it's associated with an event too, right?
Yes. The funny thing is, we had in mind to do something together as a couple, but we were starting the whole Bay Night, the official date night, to inspire and motivate couples to keep the spice love strong in their relationship. It is open to singles because we feel that there's a lot to be learned. So when they do have that bay, they would know some things, to help flourish the relationship. And then we wanted to do some promo videos, but somehow those promo videos ended up into web series, and everybody is loving it.
So all the web series that's gonna to help promote the event, or this is something that's gonna be ongoing?
That's how it started. It was supposed to promote the event, but we're getting such raving reviews that we decided, you know what, we're just gonna keep it as a web series and do the first season and then go on to a second season.
Yeah, because I guess every 6 months you could have one event to highlight some of the stuff.
Yes, we do intend to keep going with the Bay Night.
Awesome. So the first series, I watched it on YouTube. I mean, please, people, go see it.
Baynight.com. Just Google baynight.com and you get to see all the series on YouTube.
It's a relationship. So the amazing thing, you guys are a real couple, and you're actually working together. Tell me about that experience. How difficult it is.
Well,
I know it might be.
I think it's a wonderful thing that you have a husband and wife working together because the chemistry was there. My wife.
When you guys kiss, it's a real kiss.
Yeah, it was a real kiss. I mean, you've been together, you work together, you go through your obstacles together, and it also, if you really look at the scenes, it's very I could say you can actually feel
it's real.
Yeah, the reality of a couple going through their obstacles when they're not talking, when they're not really connecting. And that's what happens in marriages. The chemistry is not there, and you have to fight constantly to keep that chemistry burning.
All right, HMI Buzz, Bon Buzz. You already know who's behind the camera, who's doing all the great editing, Ron Mentor. There's the cinematography. There's the videographer, HMI Buzz, and we have my cousin, Jonelle, photographer. So we're bringing you the best. I know there's a lot of things going on now with social media. I mean, everybody has a platform now, but look for good content, and that's what we're trying to bring. Nous disons merci, pas oublier supporter restaurant, business haïtien yo, non RC Caribbean restaurant qui dans Brenton and Congress. Brenton and Congress behind next to Chuck E. Cheese, and there is the Bouville corner ça va pas gêner. C'est I would say southeast corner, right? So support our Haitian businesses again. Nous t'es gain avec nous Mr. and Mrs. Smith now. Nous t'es gain Genji avec Miss Justice. All right. Peace.